Hi there, welcome to this video when I'm going to do some woodland bird photography. So I do visit this woodland fairly regularly because it's quite close to where I live, and this morning I'm short of time, so I thought I'd have a little wander around here because it never seems to disappoint. As you can probably hear in the background, there are lots of birds about, so it's a good time of year to come and try and photograph them because we're in mid-April and the leaves are only just starting to come out on the trees, so there's a good opportunity to see them through the canopy, and hopefully I'll get some good sightings this morning. It's just going to take a little bit of patience, listening and looking really carefully, and I know that I'm really going to enjoy my photography. When you're in a woodland like this, it's very important to just slow down and wait for the birds to come to you. If you crash around and hope to see things, you might be lucky and stumble across something, but more often you're more successful if you pick a spot and wait quietly and then just observe what's happening in the woodland, because there's lots of birds about, you can hear them really clearly, but it's just a case of waiting to spot some and then hoping they come a little bit closer and land in a good location. So what I've done is I've found a tree that I can lean against, and I'm just going to stay here for a while and see what I see. A few times ago when I visited here, somebody who was just walking past did say that they'd seen two kingfishers down here on this little stream. Now, I've got no reason not to believe them because kingfishers are quite distinctive and you couldn't really mistake them for any other bird. But a few days later, I did come back with my pop-up hide and I sat in this location for about 2.5 hours and saw nothing. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time here today, but I'm not particularly hopeful. If this is your first time here at the channel, then you can do me a really big favour and consider clicking the like, subscribe and the bell notifications, because it really does help me out, but it makes sure that you don't miss out on any future photographic content. Now you might be able to hear, just here behind me in this tree, there's a robin, and I've spent a bit of time just stood here photographing it and videoing it because I do have a little bit of a thing for robins. I find them quite cute. But while I was stood here doing that, a jay flew in very briefly and landed in the top of one of these trees here to my left, and I had a really nice clear view through the canopy, and so I managed to get a couple of photographs. The lake here behind me is looking really attractive this morning. There's a very fine layer of mist just hanging about on top of the lake, but the sun is just coming up and is starting to catch the tops of the trees. And so it's really very peaceful and serene. There's not a lot out on the lake. There's a swan that's just swimming on the opposite bank. And I've seen a coot and some mallard. This location here is proving to be really fruitful. It's right next to the path, but just over the other side of this fence here, there's an area that the public can't access. So I think that the birds feel a little bit more comfortable in that area. And while I've been stood here, I've seen a very, very close-up robin that I nearly thought was going to eat out of my hand. I've seen a blackcap, and I've also had a wren that's flown right past me, but then it's gone and sat in the top of one of the trees on the top of a dead tree stump that proved to be quite an interesting perch. And so I've got lots of photographs from this location. I've come to this location here because in this tree just behind me there is a hole where a nuthatch regularly nests. Now I've seen it for the last couple of years in this location, but I've not seen it this morning. Just talking to a ranger, he said that he's heard the nuthatch regularly over the last couple of weeks, so it is about, but I've just not seen it. But while I've been waiting, I have seen a long-tailed tit and a willow warbler as well, so it's not all been in vain. It just goes to show you never know what you're going to see if you walk around with your eyes open. I was walking along the path here and I just glanced over to my left and saw a pair of bullfinches. Now unfortunately the male flew off and just left the female, but it stayed in this gap just here for quite a while and I got plenty of photos, so at least 2 or 3 must be fairly respectable. I've come down to the side of the lake and I've added the Aylesbury duck and a great crested grebe to my bird count, and I've also got some more photographs of coots and the swans on the other side of the lake that are just taking off. I've had a really enjoyable morning here at my local nature reserve. I've got some really pleasing photographs and I've just really enjoyed being in nature and taking the time to look what's around me. But if you enjoy this kind of content, then don't miss out on my recent video where I got some amazing photographs of barn owls in flight. So I'll put a link just up here and down below in the description, so make sure you go and check that out. Now if you have enjoyed this video, do let me know down below in the comments, and if over to my Instagram or Vero account, that's @Oakden Photography, leave me your comments there and you can also see lots of my photographs. Now if you like what I do on the channel and you want to help support me to make future content like this, then you can leave out the gift shop. That's at Teespring. There I've got a range of merchandise on offer, so head off over there because a purchase really does help me out and it's very much appreciated. But you don't have to spend any money at all to support the channel. You can do that simply by clicking the like, subscribe and the bell notifications. It really helps me out and it makes sure that you don't miss out on any future content. Watch out for next week's video. That goes live on Sunday. In the meantime, you can go and check out this video just up here. But all that's left now is to say, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.